Welcome to MakerStore's Product Focus series. Our thrust bearings come with two hardened chrome steel washers and a durable brass cage, built to handle heavy loads with ease. You may notice the two washers are slightly different. One is a tighter fit on the shaft, while the other is designed to seat against the fixed structure. This ensures correct alignment and proper load support. Unlike regular bearings, these are specifically designed to take axial force, the pressure along the shaft, while spinning smoothly. That means axial load is properly supported by the bearing instead of stressing your motor, helping reduce wear and extend motor life. Compact and reliable, they're ideal for the ends of actuators, in C-beam assemblies, and anywhere you need smooth rotation under heavy pure axial load. Whether it's a linear actuator or a mechanical setup, these bearings keep everything moving efficiently and safely. For more information, visit the MakerStore website and follow us for more product-focused videos.